Why is my washing machine leaking? This is a question most repairmen must have heard several times. And as you will expect, there isn't one straight answer to that. There are many reasons your washing machine may leak. Finding any of the reasons will involve some close monitoring diagnosis. Usually where a leak occurs around the machine could show the cause of the leak. However, further inspection is often required. If the floor where the washer is placed is uneven, or the washer itself is unbalanced, determining the cause of the leak from your machine because of the water pool's location could be misleading. There are many source points of water leaks in a washing machine. And we will go through each of the common leak points. Because of the difference in orientation of components between front and top loaders, we will review them separately. First, let's look at the top load washing machine. Is the water leakage from the front? When leaks occur at the front of the machine, a clogged or tilted overflow tube could cause it. This could occur because of excess suds from previous wash cycles. Excess suds building up in a washing machine is often because of the use of too much detergent or a wrong combination of detergents. Some washing machines are installed in houses that use a soft water system. This is more likely to cause an excess buildup of suds, consequently clogging the overflow tube. If you want to know if the amount of detergent you use is too much, put a newly washed item in a bowl of fresh water. If the water becomes sudsy, this means you are using too much detergent. Leakages at the front of a top loader could also be because of an unbalanced load in the washing machine. Having an unbalanced load in a washing machine is never good for the machine. A suitable way to remedy this is to reduce the load size. Also, ensure that the water in the machine is level. Is the water leaking from the back of the washing machine? Then inspect the drain hose. The drain hose drains used water away from the machine. If the drain hose is not properly secured in the drain pipe, a leakage might occur. Also, when the drain pipe is clogged, it causes water from the machine to rise and go back up the pipe. Another common reason for water leakages at the back of a top-loaded washing machine is a loose connection at the fill hose. Water enters the washing machine through the fill hose. The fill hose connects to the washer at the back of the washing machine and could be held in place by hose clamps. A loose connection or a rusty hose clamp could cause water leakage. And one way to check for this is to place some toilet paper around the fill hose while you run the machine. If the tissue gets wet, that shows that the fill hose connection is loose. You could check if the rubber washers of the fill hose are in place. Turn off the water supply before you do this. And if your hose does not have a rubber washer, this could be responsible for the leak. Is the water leaks under the washing machine? A faulty water pump will cause water to leak underneath the washer, for top-loaded washing machines. Check the water pump if you notice water under the machine. It is important you do this as soon as you notice the leakage. You don't want water from the water pump to spill directly on the motor, as this could lead to total machine failure. Now let's look at the front-load washing machine. When you spot water leaks at the front of your front-loaded washer, one of the first things to check is the door seal. They designed the door seal to keep the washtub watertight during the machine cycles. When soil and soap get into the door seal, it is likely to cause a leak. So the seal ought to be inspected for trapped items, holes, or tears. The gasket of the door seal should be cleaned weekly if possible. A faulty door will also cause leakages with the washing machine. If the washer's door does not close properly, it will surely leak. Check for any foreign objects that may prevent the door from closing easily. If the water is leaking from the back of the machine. The same challenge with drain and fill hoses identified with top loaders also occurs with front loaders. Leakages could occur because of loose fittings of the fill hose. If the fill hose is missing its rubber washer or has an improperly fitted rubber washer, it is likely to cause leakages. A buildup of suds could also be responsible for water leakage at the back of the washer. For front-loaded washers, always use high-efficiency detergents. Ensure that a slight amount of laundry detergent is used to minimize the buildup of suds. If the water leakage is under the washing machine, then you'd have to inspect the wash drum. The outer drum of front-loaded washers is made of two halves bolted together. If the integrity of the seams along the bolts is compromised, water could slip through the drum. In such a case, the wash drum will have to be replaced. Water could also overflow from the washing machine. And while this is not technically a water leak, this could happen because of a faulty water valve or pressure switch. Endeavor to use your washing machine as specified by the manufacturer to avoid damage to its components. We hope you've found this video helpful. Kindly click the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description for more details. Visit our website, www.zimwashingmachines.com, for more outstanding washing machine content like this.